Hey, Mike here. Thanks for tuning in. My last video was a success. You guys saw my dog and saw me get a new haircut. It was fantastic. I'd like to show you an art piece that I made. Yes, I haven't titled it, but yeah, there it is. Tomorrow, the Getty Museum. It's called the Getty Museum. I'm heading there tomorrow. It's in LA. That's going to be pretty fun. So I'm going to be making a vlog about my trip to there. I'm going to try to, I don't think I could bring the camera in there due to copyright or whatever. Anyway, I got some footage from last night with John just being bored. So go ahead and check that out, and I'll come back on the screen after that. John likes snickerdoodles, but he's never had one microwaved. So you guys at home should try it too. How many more?
I bet I called.
Anyway, as you know, I live in the Santa Cruz Valley, which is where Magic Mountain is. If you haven't heard of Magic Mountain, it's one of the greatest theme parks in the United States. Link is in the sidebar for that. No, but you know, on a serious note, I really want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch my videos. Even if you're just bored, you hit play, and I truly just want to thank you guys out there. I try to make my videos as cool as possible, or my vlogs, and yeah, I got some good comments. As you guys know, I have over like 200 or whatever videos, but back then my videos were just not as good.
Feels numb, dude. Ladies and gentlemen, there's no toenail.
But you guys can still watch those if you want to. I'm always willing to answer all your comments on all my videos. I'll answer them every time. So like I said, tomorrow I'm going to the Getty Museum in Los Angeles. I've never been there. I'm going to try to bring my camera as far as I can. Hopefully they allow it. I'm not sure. But I'll have the whole trip of the trip getting there and stuff in my vlog. I don't know what else to say. There's nothing really to tell you guys. I'm not really doing anything exciting tonight. Just I worked all day, and I'm just gonna kick it. Hopefully message you guys. Anyway, all my links are in the sidebar. Thank you guys for watching. I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow, or you'll see me tomorrow in my next vlog. So take it easy. Have a great night.